So I have all my batteries apart, and thinking about how I'm gonna put this thing back together. Um, so there's these batteries here. These are the ones that were in the bucket. There's one, two, three, and a fourth cell somewhere. Uh, Fourth cell's over there. I have this battery taken apart. So I have this cell. This is cell number 5. So I added some capacity to that one. This is the inverter taken apart, and these are what the batteries look like when they are when they have their lids off. So I'm going to be putting it back together. I'm thinking I'm going to be using buckets inside this thing to make it work. You can see the buckets are going to fit in there, and I can easily take them out if need be. Just working out a few details in my mind here before I actually go ahead and start doing that. While I was taking it apart, I made a short, and I immediately welded. Well, it's like I was welding one piece of these cookie sheets to another. You can see the weld spot there, and it went right through, so you can see that. And this is the spot that touched right there. I don't know if you can see it very well, but yeah, so exciting adventures with batteries. Gonna put them back together in a little bit of a different orientation than I had, but you can see I got a lot of batteries to work with over here, so I'm gonna put them back together and show you what I come up with when the time is right. Getting them out of the bucket was not very easy, even though I have that string there to help. Not very easy. So I'm thinking I need to come up with a better system to take the batteries out, and I think I have something in mind. I'll show it to you when I get there. So yeah, that's today's update. So we have some sun out, but I'm not pulling any solar. Everything is disconnected and turned off, and you can see I have switches everywhere. There's the switch. Well, there's a plug on there that I can take off that goes to there. Then there's a switch that goes to the inverter that's in here. So that's a massive switch. Then there's a fuse right there. So I got some safety mechanisms in place, but yeah, it's kind of hairy right now. So sometimes you gotta break an egg in order to make some omelets, and over the next few days I'm planning on making a few omelets. So I'll let you know how it goes. All right, till next time, keep on rethinking.